Hey guys, welcome back to Noob Cichlids and Aquatics. Today we're going to do an unboxing and a review of the Cascade 1000 canister filter. We found a great deal on these at Petco of all places. If you get it online, you get 20% off, and they've got them on sale for $82. And these are rated for up to a 100-gallon aquarium, so where else are you going to find a 100-gallon aquarium canister filter for a total of $62? Well, it's about $71 with tax. So I think it's a pretty good deal if this canister is quiet enough and does a good enough job. I actually got a couple of them for some 65 gallons that we have are going to be way overstocked in the near future with our Caras. So let's see what we've got here. Cascade 1000 canister filter. Let's unbox this booger right now. Well, definitely boxed up good. Let's pull out our accessories first. We're back. I am going to Jax. I'm not going to Jax. I'm going. Jax is in the box. I do not have any media balls, bio balls, or anything to go in here, and it didn't come with them. Can't believe it did not. But we just ordered some on Amazon. So in the meantime, I've got some of these. Well, they're ammonia removing filter. They're in these little bags. I'm going to put a couple of them in there to kind of work, just to kind of fill in the tray. Because I've used these on some hang on the back filters. And they actually do a real good job of holding on to stuff. Rinse these things really good before you use them, if you use them, and rinse the carbon off really good before you put it in there. In fact, while I start assembling the hoses and stuff, I'm going to have my assistant, Jack, go wash these out. He's not having it. Maybe I'll get my wife to do it. Please, go rinse all these out, and I am going to work on assembling the hoses. You should totally get that cap. Let her get it. I want to show you Jax. Jax. Every box we put in the house, it doesn't matter. He's got to get into it. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We got our two intake and outtake. And I did notice, I said, shouldn't they be color coordinated? They are. Black goes on black and blue goes on blue. So that's simple enough. Generally I would say measure and cut these, but I need all the hose I have, so in case I decide to change at some point, I've noticed I've put some really short hoses on, and then it's no good for any other aquarium. So that's so these are pretty easy. Just slide it on as far as you can. Turn this counterclockwise as we kind of push on the hose until she gets good and tight. That is open. That is closed, so I'm going to leave it closed for now. Okay guys, we're in the room. It's going to go in this little fry tank. Tiny little fry here. They're about a month old Acaras. And as you see, the tank is pretty dingy at the moment. Got a little hand on the back filter I'm running and a sponge filter, but that's it. I need some extra filtration in here. Not to mention this thing is going to be way overcrowded when these guys get bigger. That's the reason I'm going with an oversized filter, specifically for this aquarium. First off, it's got a little basket. You can get whatever basket. I think this is actually a hospital basket, isn't it? I think this came from my kidney surgery. Never used it, but they sent it to a hospital. I'll put it over there. Haven't really had trouble with these leaking, but always good to err on the side of caution. Valves open, pump it, plug her in, turn her on. Directionals are. That looks like a heck of a flow. We got this extra filter here for, ooh, that's a lot of flow. Okay, after a day's use of the Cascade 1000 filter, it's doing a really good job. All in all, decent little canister, not too hard to put together. I will say there is a little issue on priming this unit. I installed a second one yesterday on another tank and I had a lot of trouble getting it to prime. I finally got it done. And I will say the other issue is that it is louder than like the Fluval 306 or my Eheim filters. Because you get close to it, you can actually hear this one running. It's about as noisy as your average air pump, I guess. Whereas, you know, I can actually hear it running when I get a little closer to it. And like this 306 is back here in the corner, older unit, you have to see the speaker is right up, or the microphone is right up next to it. I have to put my hand on it to know it's running or look to see if there's flow in the tank. So much quieter. Maybe that's why they were on sale, because they are a little bit noisier. But for $62, worth the money to me. Appreciate you watching. Like our videos, subscribe to Noob Cichlids. I'd sure appreciate it. And we will see you on the next video.